just play around with the presentation. I'll show you another one in a second. I think you can play the whole lot. I'm not going to play the whole lot. If I just show you the other one, I had as well, another one. Because what I liked about that one was it went into pictures and had tiny little words and pictures inside other things. I'll show you what it's hard to explain. Is it this one? Yeah. So you focus on the two words. Okay, it's giving you the kids to focus on the words you want them to give the focus on. Then you give them a visual stimulus as well. And you come back out to the words. There's the next word, like a pod. What's a pod, sir? What's a podness? That's what I mean by a pod. but it's the way that it moves through the presentation I just think is brilliant. You can take it then back out to the entire thing, and there it all is, all mapped out. You're just zooming in and out of different parts of it. So you can see, I can see the time demand you need to get to it, but really, really clever. I think some of the kids would love to do that, because they could just sit there in the bedrooms playing around with that for hours on end. Have you come across Wordle?
Yeah.
Good. Have you come across TagXdo?
Yeah.
A couple of you have. Just flag it up then quickly. TagXdo is just another word, another way of doing Wordle. You can do a bit more with it. You can put the shapes that you can put an image to it, and the words will take on the shape of the image you've got. Examples. There. Can I see any? No, not letting me say gallery. There we go. So I mean, now the words fit into the shape of that picture. Okay. Just an interesting one I thought I'd share there. Have I got time for anything else?
Yeah, crack on, Andrew.
Yeah.
2 minutes is long, isn't it? So.
I'm going really quickly.
In for a penny, in for a pound.
Autology. Anyone heard of autology?
No.
I used it the other day in a school in Cardiff. They use it. They bought the service for their kids. They said that's not right. Go away. I'll relook at that one again. They said that it's about £3 a head, I think they said, per pupil. But it enables you to search within a slightly safer environment. So rather than searching the entire web, it searches what Autology has already pre-searched for you. And rather than searching by one word, it looks at the whole search statement and searches by theme. So it doesn't do what Google does and looks for each of the words on a web page. It looks at the whole sentence that you searched for and uses that in the web page search. It's a really different way of searching. Again, these are things you just might want to pick up and have a play with. Google Art Project, free pictures on the web. I was always looking for them as a teacher. Yeah. Great. Here's Google Chrome frame. Okay. What they've done is they've gone to different museums, not the really, really big museums, and they've just taken loads of art from those museums, pop them up on the web for you. So if you're looking for a picture by a particular artist or by a particular theme, then you can go to that website, you can pick up the picture, you can zoom into it, zoom out of it, and show them a number of different works by the same artist. Okay, it's not mainstream artists and not mainstream museums, but it's got use nonetheless. Is it going to work? I'll let that sit there in the background and do that. Okay. 5-card trick. 5-card trick. Okay. Pick a picture. Pick a picture.
One with a fire.
Okay. Pick a picture.
The grass, the black cheese one.
That one.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Pick a picture. Oh, I did 2 this time. Okay. I wonder why you're going for that one. Pick a picture.
Good boy.
Okay. Pick a picture.
Trainers.
Shoes.
Shoes. Yeah.
There you go. So now you've got 5-card flicker. Do something with it. Will be my next statement to the kids. What are you going to do with it? Can you write a story on it? Can you use the ideas to create something else? Can you cut them up and collage with them? You know, whatever. It's just giving you 5 random pictures. What you do with it is up to you. It's up to you. What the kids do with it is up to you. Right, there we go. That's the Google Art Project. So all these collections are available to you. Just have a look at collections in G. Green Vault, wherever that one was. That's then got all their art, loads of their artifacts that you can then click onto and have a look at. Alright, I'll leave it there I think because I'm well over time.
No.
Well, you should have shouted out when it was 2 minutes. I once was a teacher, we can't help ourselves. There's other 3 bits there as well to have a look at. Alright, so do you want to share that somewhere?
Yes.
Yeah? VLE.Merthyr, then I'll stick it on there in resources, alright?
Thanks
very much.
I'm sure that when he does share it, GFL Company will be at the top of the
Clearly, when you're here.
Incidentally, the Autology one, just for you to be aware that all the NGFL company content that's secondary has been indexed into Autology. So if you are using it in school, NGFL company is a channel within it, and you will get all our content within there as well.